Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing apps and the recent apps view. Make sure your Poco C65 is updated and you have the two apps open. Now tap the Recent Apps button or gesture to show multitasking. Next, tap the app icon in the card. Choose Split Screen from the menu. This pins the first app to the top or left. Once done, select the second app from Recent Apps or App Drawer so it fills the other half of the screen for side-by-side use. With both apps visible, adjust the dividing bar so each gets the space you need, drag quickly for a rough 50/50 or fine-tune for reading or typing. You can interact with each app independently, type in one, scroll in the other, and use \home gestures normally. If you rotate the phone, the split adapts to landscape. Make sure the app supports split screen. Also, check any required permissions, like camera or microphone. To finish, drag the central divider all the way to an edge to close one app and return to single window mode. You can also tap the app card and choose Exit Split. If split screen doesn't appear, restart the phone first. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure apps are updated. Some apps block split screen and need updating or clearing cache. If problems persist, clear recent apps, update MIUI, or reinstall the problematic app to restore normal split screen behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.